Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I don't have much time today, so I'm going to be very quick. Today, we're going to continue working on our app and doing the things that we need to do. Okay, so I'm setting up right now the dev environment so we can test things easily running locally. So that's what I'm trying to do. And 1 second. This should be this, and here we are. So a few things. I've created an extension to hide the env from my environment. So if I go to the env bar, you can see here, and if I want, I can copy the value or I can edit the value if I want to. Okay, so it's easier for me to for the stream, so I don't link any important information there. All right, so here I'm trying to do the let me see. I'm trying to set up a local staging and production environment so I can run that locally. I'm almost done with all the questions. See how many questions left. Okay, and here the question is beta testers, which macOS build release version. Oops, what was that? Yeah. Let me add a timer for 15 minutes. Because that is how much time I have left. I didn't want to skip today, so we're doing that. Okay, duck home, ducks environment, blah, blah, blah. Symbol environment and ducks environment to virtualization. Should we find Q2? Okay, Q2 duck home. Yeah, ducks environment. Ducks environment and make a make a note in the backend. README. If you want to see how I did the extension, you can see my video from yesterday, and the repository is public, so you can install that in your own extension. I might publish the extension, but right now I don't have time to do it. Okay, so we have the environments, we have local, blah, blah, blah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's start with the first slice. 1, 2, 3. This is going to take a while. Okay, looks like it's going to take a while. Let's see what it's doing. So the idea behind this is I can run everything locally, so I don't have to deploy to test the changes in the app. So right now, when I make a change in the backend, I have to deploy. I did that initially because it was easier to test the thing, the app. So, but now we can have that. Now that we're adding more features, it's getting more complex and I need to test more quickly. So I'm creating the different environments to be able to develop locally. So it's creating the Docker configuration, the basic configuration. For the Docker, we're going to use Vimeo to simulate the S3. We don't need the full local stack right now because the database is SQLite. And while this is building, I'll go and create the Curso local database. And provide the credentials. Databases, create database. Okay, I do have the database. So let's see. So we have the menu image and we have the ports. We have the URL as well. And what else it has created? Oh, it has created quite a few files. So what it's doing is creating the client to okay. Okay, looks good. Let me approve this. Looks good. Let's see. Let's see what it says. Okay, so macOS developer, blah, blah, blah. Still open with slide 2 plus. Okay, so continue. So, okay, so let's see the list of things that they created. So it created the Docker compose file, the init, the dev script. We have a stripe listen as well set up. In the make, we have make dev, make dev up, make dev down. We have the new S3 client, and we added to the ignore all of this. And yep, let's see if it works. Let me open the inf backend here. Let me edit everything in another window. Move into a new window. And where is it? Okay, so it's here. Show. Edit. Let me add the URL. At least I think if with the token, I think that should be enough. Yeah, let me check. Yes. Okay. Public base here. Okay, that should be good for us to start the local environment and make dev. Okay, so the Stripe CLI failed because the token, I need to update the token, but that is okay. It says, we created blah, 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 localhost. Okay, let's see now. Make def up, ups, back. Okay. Okay, so I only need, if I want to run everything up, I only need to scripts def, or no, this is under backend scripts def. Oh. Failed to apply migration. Ta-da-dum. I think we need to also what happened with this is what I want. So I think we don't have like the tables migration, and it's applying multiple schemas. It's applying the same. We have migrations, but we don't have a migrations table, so we are not keeping track of the changes that we do to the schema. So we need to add a schema migrations, as we are manually keeping track of all the migrations. we need to do this. So let's see if in the 2 minutes left we can do it. Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. So if, oh, what happened? Okay, I think we are back. So let me start the application and let's see if, oh, and time's up. So where is the timer? Okay, let's run the application with local dot. Well, time's up, so I won't be able to test the integration with the local environment. So we are going to do that tomorrow. Thank you so much for this short session. We're going to continue tomorrow. I am going to spend more time on this. So stay tuned for